Today is Friday, February 10th. The time is 11:50 a.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2010 Panini Limited Football Break, break number 7. Good luck, everybody. First card goes to the Cowboys, Jason Witten, serial number 334 out of 499. Next for the Rams, legend Deacon Jones, serial numbered 114 out of 499. For the Bengals, Phenoms, Carlos Dunlap, serial numbered 63 out of 499. Nate Burleson, Lions, serial number 236 out of 499. For the Titans, we have Banner 2009 season, Chris Johnson, jersey, serial number 13 out of 100. Next we have for the Green Bay Packers, Brian Bugala, serial number 30 out of 100. Jersey. Another hit for the Titans. We have Damian Williams, dual patch. That is serial number 7 out of 10. Next we have material monikers for the Eagles. Randall Cunningham, jersey autograph. Serial number 9 out of 25. And the last card, Carson Palmer, Cincinnati Bengals, serial numbered 7 out of 25. Thank you everybody for bidding. If you guys check out my other eBay box breaks, I currently have for 2011 football ending today, I have Absolute Memorabilia and Topps Precision. The rest of 2011 football that I currently have listed for breaks, Crown Royale, Topps Supreme, Panini Gold Standard, Topps Triple Threads, Timeless Treasures. Later on tonight, I will be listing the 2011 plates and patches. For 2010 football, I do have another box of Limited, and as well as Crown Royale. And if anyone's interested in hockey, for 2011-2012, I have both Certified and Limited.